8th Maths ICSE Exercise 12.3 question number 2. A square plus B square is equal to 25. AB is equal to 12. First part, find A plus B. We will use the identity A plus B the whole square is equal to first one the square plus second one the square plus 2 into first one into second one. So now we will put the values here. A plus B the whole square is equal to A square plus B square. We will put 25 plus 2AB. We will put 2 into 12. So A plus B the whole square is 25 plus 24 is equal to 49. By taking square root of both sides, A plus B we will get plus minus under root 49, that is plus minus 7. Now we will do second part. We have to find A minus B. Now we will use the identity A minus B the whole square is equal to first one the square plus second one the square minus 2 into first one into second one. So A minus B the whole square is A square plus B square. We will put 25 minus 2AB, 2 into 12. It is A minus B the whole square is 25 minus 24, 1. Taking square root of both sides, A minus B we will get plus minus square root of 1, that is plus minus 1. Question number 3. X plus 1 is equal to 7. Find x square plus 1 over x square. Now taking square of both sides here, x plus 1 over x the square is equal to 7 the square. We will get A square, first one the square x square plus B square 1 over x square plus 2AB, 2 into x into 1 over x is equal to 49. So x square plus 1 over x square plus 2, x is cancelled with x, is equal to 49. X square plus 1 over x square we will get 49 minus 2, that is 47. Part second, x square plus 1 over x square is equal to 83. Find x minus 1 over x. Now we know that x minus 1 over x the whole square is equal to x square, first one the square plus b square, that is second one the square, minus 2 into x into 1 over x. X is cancelled with x. So x square plus 1 over x square, we will put 83 minus 2, that is 81. Now taking the square root of both sides, x minus 1 over x is equal to plus minus square root of 81, that is plus minus 9. Question number 4, part second. If A plus B minus C is equal to 4, AB minus BC minus CA is equal to minus 11, find A square plus B square plus C square. Now we know that we will get A square plus B square plus C square by taking the square of both sides. Now when you will take the square, we will use the identity A plus B plus C the whole square is A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB. Now plus 2BC, C is minus, so it will become minus 2BC plus 2CA, C is again minus, it will become minus 2CA is equal to 4 the square, that is 16. Now 2 we will write common, A square plus B square plus C square we have to calculate. We will write as it is plus 2 common, AB minus BC minus CA is equal to 16. This value we will put minus 11. So A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 into minus 11 is equal to 16. So A square plus B square plus C square we will get 16. This minus 22 on the other side plus 22, that is 38. Question number 5 part 2. If A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 77, A plus B minus C is equal to 7, find AB minus BC minus CA. Now same identity again we will apply. A plus B minus C the whole square is equal to 7 the square. When we will take the square, it becomes A square plus B square plus minus C the square plus 2AB, both are positive, it comes positive, plus 2BC, one is negative, it becomes minus 2BC, plus 2CA, C is negative, again it becomes minus 2CA is equal to 49. So A square plus B square plus C square, minus C the whole square is plus C square, plus 2 we will write common into AB minus BC minus CA is equal to 49. Now we will put A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 77. So it becomes 77 plus 2 into AB minus BC minus CA is equal to 49. 77 will be subtracted on the other side. 2 into AB minus BC minus CA is equal to 49 minus 77, that is minus 28, and AB minus BC minus CA we will get minus 28 over 2. This 2 will be divided on the other side and we get minus 14. Question number 6 part 1. If A plus B is equal to 9, AB is equal to 20, find A cube plus B cube. We will use the identity A plus B the whole cube is equal to A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B. Now we will put the values in this identity. A plus B the whole cube, that is 9 the cube, is equal to A cube plus B cube we have to find. We will write as it is, plus 3AB, 3 into 20 into A plus B into 9. So 9 the whole cube, 729 is equal to A cube plus B cube plus 540. Now 729 we will write on the other side. So A cube plus B cube we get 729 minus 540. It is equal to 9, 12 minus 4, 8, 6 minus 5, 1, 189. Question number 9. If 5p minus 4q is equal to 7, pq is equal to 6, find 125 pq minus 64 qq. Again same identity we will use. A minus b the whole cube is equal to A cube minus B cube minus 3AB into A minus B. Using this identity, we will take 5p minus 4q the whole cube is equal to 7 the cube. So we will expand it. A cube, that is 5p the whole cube, minus b cube, that is 4q the whole cube, minus 3ab, minus 3 into 5p into 4q into a minus b, 5p minus 4q is equal to 7 the cube, that is 343. Now it becomes 125p cube minus 64q cube minus 60p cube into 5p minus 4 cube is equal to 343. Now we will put the values of p cube and 5p minus 4 cube. 125p cube minus 64q cube minus 60 into p cube 6 into 5p minus 4 cube 7 is equal to 343. So 125p cube minus 64q cube minus 2520 is equal to 343. 125p cube minus 64q cube is equal to 343 plus 2520. That's we will get 3, 4 and 2, 6, 3 and 5, 8, 2, 8, 6, 3. Kindly like this video and subscribe my channel Maths Tutor. Thank you.